Hi, my beauties. I'm like doing all sorts of things today, but I do have an unboxing, and that, if I can get it, it's a big box. This was sent to me for review. I promise it wasn't the box cutter. And this actually came really quick too. I was impressed with how quickly they got this out. You can set that down there. And this is what was sent to me in the box, which will come in handy because I'm always cold. Always. My normal body temp runs 97.4. So, like, when it goes up to 99, they're like, oh, you know, it's not really fever. I'm like, I'm a degree under normal. So, yeah, it is. Anyway, back to this. It's neat because it does give you use scenarios, such as in a classroom, an office, your living room, your bedroom, hotel, or dormitory. Never thought about it for a hotel. Interesting. Says easy to go. It has a carrying handle for easy transport, detachable grid mesh for convenient cleaning, smart touch, one key operation, touch for freely, choice from high or low, high, or fan only. It's got a wide angle oscillation at 45 degrees, and it's an auto oscillation for larger area oscillating option for better heat distribution in multiple directions, ensuring you cozy warmth. It has tip over protection for peace of mind and safe operation. It will shut off automatically when it tips over or overheated. And it's a 2-second quick heat up. We talked about the oscillation, tip over, and fire, thermostat control, overheat protection, and flame resistant material. So let's break into this bad boy. Guess what? It is Linda proof. Box cutters. Multiple uses. God love it. Okay, and the first thing in here is you have a quick little thing, how to get a free gift, a digital thermometer for purchasing. Very cool. Only I didn't purchase this, so I'd feel kind of guilty, but it is what it is. It has the user manual, of course. It's so cute. And I do keep the original boxes because you never know if you move or just need to pack it up. It does much better when it's in its original packaging. So this is what it looks like. Huh. There's a little button down here. I'll have to look at the manual to see. Okay, I think that's the safety control, that if it tips. Because we're going to see just how quickly this heats up. Dun, 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 dun. Don't fall out of the chair, because that would be bad. Could be epic and hilarious, but it could be bad. Very cool. It truly does heat up really fast. I mean, it's like almost instant. Okay, and then you really can't see. Let's see if I can bring this down a little. Getting toasty, because it is putting out a lot of heat, and you can see it kind of a lot of heat. My face is going to melt off, but you can see it moving. Okay, so blow that away from me, because it's like all in my face. Okay. It was on high blast, so I just turned it down. But yeah, wow. That like almost instant heated up. And that's nice, because a lot of times I'll tell my husband, I'm like, I'm freezing. He's like, how? And I'm like, I don't know. I just am. And then we fight over, the thermostat of whether or not he's going to kick the heat on, or I'm going to have to pile on blankets. It's usually a combination of both. And then sometimes when I'm sleeping, he lays down, boom, he's gone. It takes me a while, and sometimes I'm laying there and I'm freezing and I can't get to sleep because I'm so cold. So I am excited. Turn off. More than one way to kill a bird. So, my first impression of this, it seems, okay, word of caution, this part gets really hot. I didn't burn myself, but it was just a lot more, and it's probably, because of the plastic. But I am rather impressed because, like I said, heated up that quick. It's durable, it's small, it's portable, but even though it's small, let me tell you something. It puts out a lot of heat. So I am so glad they contacted me and asked if I would do this for them. I will have all the information linked down below. Definitely check this out, because this is really, really awesome. I want to say the listing price is just under $40. Again, I'll have all that down below. So, if you like what you saw, ring the bell, smash the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and at least go check this out if you're anything like me where, you know, you're just sitting there and everybody else is comfortable but you're so cold. You can pop this bad boy on because it'll definitely toast you up. So until then, goodbye my beauties.